Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare besan toast, that is gram flour. I am going to toast these breads with this gram flour. So the ingredients that we require to prepare this besan toast are, here I have taken 100 grams of besan, gram flour, 1 big onion finely chopped, little bit of fresh coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 small tomato finely chopped, 2 green chillies finely chopped, salt as per our taste, and I'll be using oil for this toast. You can also use butter. So let's start. And here are some bread slices. You can take any type of bread that you like. So I'm going to add all this tomato, onion, green chilies, coriander leaves into the besan. Add little salt as per our taste. And now I'm going to mix it. Add water and we'll make it into a smooth batter. Little by little I'll add water and make it into a smooth batter. So friends, here I have made a nice and smooth batter. There shouldn't be any lump. Now I'll heat a pan. I have just put little oil in the pan and heated it. Now I will take these bread slices. I will dip it into this batter. And the same batter I'll put it in the pan. Same way I'll take the second slice, coat it with the batter and put it in the pan. We let it cook. In a medium flame we are going to toast these breads from both the sides. Now we will turn towards the other side, flip it. Let's see this. So we will cook this nicely. So here is our toast ready. It's cooked from both the sides. Now I'm going to repeat the same procedure for the other bread slices also. So here is our yummy besan toast ready. I have garnished it with tomato ketchup and with mayonnaise. Serve it hot. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.